Alright, this is Pony Express, and this is a launch coaster, surprisingly. Okay, that's where they wait for the launches. Go around a circle back there, and then you come back over this hill. Okay, that's Pony Express for you.
I want you to, but you don't have to, because I know the weather I said.
So, once you get the top of that lift hill, running the brake 1, and then here's brake 2, making station brakes 3. So there's 3 sets of brakes. Here's Bunny, here's 1, they're on 2, and then there's brakes in station 2. So if you try to go flying, you have 3 sets of brakes that are going to stop you. So here's what the front of it looks like. And there you go, Pony Express.